Hi friends, welcome to my mom's choice. Now I'm going to show you another toy of B Kids. This is a See and Spin alphabet track toy, and this is recommended for 1 year age group children's. Mostly it's an educated toy and can be recommended to for both boys and girls. And now I'm going to unboxing this toy. So this is the box. So all the features are mentioned on it. uh, this is the See and Spin alphabet track looks like. So as you can see, the body of the toy, it's completely made of a wood frame, very soft, very flexible, very easy to hold, and the edges also made with a soft plastic, which is very smooth on hands and easy to grip. And as you can see, here all the letters are mentioned on it. uh, so this side you can see all the words. So these are all the words, and if you rotate the other side, you can see the alphabet both in small and big letters. So children can be educated with this toy, and it is a completely safe product. It is compiled with the European child safety standards, and as you can see, it's an educated toy, so children can learn the words and letters of the toy. So all in all, it's an educated toy, a very good product by B Kids. So I hope all you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching.